It has a spring in it. First, take it off. Let's make a mark first. About 7 centimeters in from the edge, let's make a mark. And on this side as well, come in about 7 centimeters. Fasten the screws. This installation code is L-shaped. If we pretend like this, loading towards the top is called top loading. For side installation, we installed it on the side of the wall. If you say you want to install it from the side, first align the groove of the track with the hook of the blind. What about after hooking? Then press it up and it gets stuck. The blinds are installed.